Welcome back to my channel Casual Advertising. Today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about a new innovation that I've just noticed. The biggest platform there is basically globally on DV360. As mentioned last week, I'm all hyped up for new things, and I think this is pretty important for you guys, especially in the last seasonal month coming up with December. Let's get back into it. So this was the news a couple of months ago, starting in October 2024. And I don't know if many of you have already seen it, but for me, I thought it was still in beta, but apparently you can now finally actually access this in your campaigns. Demand gen. How do you get access if you don't know how? It's very easy to set up, but there is quite a bit of a trick on it as well. Sometimes you get an error in terms of floodlight activities or something else. One important note to make is you can't add this to your general display campaigns. The demand gen behaves or is added to the platform as your typical YouTube campaign, meaning you will have to build a new insertion order, which then you need to build your line items, and in that line item you can select demand gen. However, sometimes you get this message where it says enable floodlight optimization in this advertiser. How do I fix this problem to finally be able to use my demand gen line items? Let's get right into that. You click on it, you go to basic details, you scroll back down, and you have to add this specific button. You need to use floodlight data for conversion optimization on YouTube and demand gen line items. When you do so, when you just slash this on and you press save, and you go back to your campaign, of course you have to refresh. You can just select new line item and demand gen, and there you go. You got everything you want. You can even select certain inventory sources. So personally, I would like to take out Gmail out of the equation, because there's always a little bit of a debate on what's the click. Open in Gmail, for those of you who don't know, if you use demand gen, you get a Gmail ad, and it consists of two ads. It's closed or open. Closed means that you'll get like the email closed. It's as simple as that. When you receive an email, at first you only get like a notification or something, but it's closed. So all you see is like that title with a little bit of comments underneath explaining what the email might be about. See it as a subheader or something to support the title. Usually you use these texts, often derived from Google search campaigns or social ads, to try have people open the email, which when they do, they will basically see your demand gen image ad as an email. However, opening that specific email will count as a click in your campaigns. So watch out for demand gen campaigns. They could really blast your CTRs sky high, but it really is a vanity metric within this specific space. So awesome to finally have access to this campaign within DV360, within everything that it has to offer, and it now even got even broader. So not only do we have display, audio, rich media, native, video, CTV, digital out of home, we finally get more stuff from Google Ads, from the good stuff from Google Ads, into this expansive platform. I'm loving to see this. I'm loving to try it out, and I would definitely recommend everyone in my follower account to check this out and try it out yourselves. Let me know how you want to try this. If you've already implemented this in Google Ads, what do you expect in difference? Do you think it will improve your performance? Will it decrease your performance? Are you going to A/B test the platforms? Very interesting as well, because they both have their own algorithms. Something I'll get into later, perhaps when I have a little bit more data on how demand gen in DV360 behaves. Very interesting indeed. So let me know in the comments, what do you think? And I think this is a step in the right direction for DV360. Everything we can get our hands on to get more impressions and to get more touch points, I'm all up for it. This is definitely a yes for me.